And welcome to Northwest Washington, D.C. Steve from Estate Max here, welcoming you to 6145 31st Street, Northwest Washington, D.C., to this early century home packed with stuff. At this classic estate sale, it won't take you long to figure out that the owners of this house were very involved politically and collected everything. We have large amounts of books, historical items, and records. We have costume jewelry and regular jewelry. We have old documents and old script items. We have, what is that, Laurie?
It's a miniature elephant.
It's a miniature elephant. We have a football and baseball card collection. Look at these pins. For anybody who you know who collects political and fun pins, that's a really good collection. Great prices on those. There's a whole box of World War II memorabilia, including badges and all the correspondence from World War II of a particular soldier. Like I said, books and souvenirs and artifacts are everywhere. Lots of old newspapers saved from famous periods of time, too. Do you like games? Great collection of old games. Show you a preview of the souvenir items. A lot of this house, most of this house, is really a make and offer zone, just because there are so many small items here. This video will give you a clue. You can make us offers, and we're going to say yes whenever we can. We'll be here Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Great mid-century coffee table. Some more older memorabilia. Look at this mail call book. I think it's from World War II. Do you like old doll furniture and miniatures, old wooden blocks? Look at these antique toys. We researched these. There's a fair amount of very nice antique toys here. Look at this train. I believe that's Satchmo there, that magazine. We have original one-cell drawings from Hanna-Barbera and from Charles M. Schulz. There's a few of those. There's Lucy. Well, how about this? There's Mick Jagger. He even drew his famous mouth on that. Again, maps and artifacts from Washington, D.C. Again, old cap guns, old toys, old drafting equipment. A lot of neat stuff. Again, we're just on the first floor right now. We're in the dining room. I like these quilts. Some great handmade quilts here. Aren't they beautiful? They'll go fast. Beautiful old drop leaf gate leg table. In the kitchen now, again, the kitchen is largely a giant make and offer zone, but you'll find something for everybody here, even Redskins fans. And upstairs there's more Redskins memorabilia too. Anyway, stuff is just everywhere. This house is just packed with stuff. There's nothing else I can say. It's just packed with stuff. Make us an offer. Make a big pile of stuff. Odds are we'll say yes. We just walked downstairs. Once again, the political influences from especially the mid-70s on forward are pretty evident. How about this wicker chair? That is in really good shape. Back then, everybody had world books. Everything you see in this video is for sale. This is the miscellaneous office room in the basement. I believe the man in the house worked for the NSA for a while. There's some interesting things lying around. This is what's left of the desk and office area. Books, books, books. And there's also a utility room. Be really careful. There's all kinds of treasure still hiding in here, but you're welcome to take a look if you're careful. I like this old counterbalanced lamp. It's a great piece. Okay, we're turning the corner. We're headed upstairs to see what's upstairs. Careful on those stairs. Oh, here's our information if you need to contact us. We're going upstairs, so watch your step. We're also into the arts and the Smithsonian to a large degree. On the stairwell going up, some more really nice old quilts. And if you love the beach, I don't think they ever found a rock they didn't leave at the beach, or they didn't take from the beach. They left nothing. I know if you need an automobile, we also have a 2013 gray Honda Fit in front of the house that is also for sale for the owners. 2013 Honda Fit. This room was obviously occupied by a sports and souvenir aficionado, as you can tell from the things they left behind. Washington Redskins pennants from 83 and 78, the winning years. Old toys and posters. Upstairs in the master bedroom now. A lot of smalls. Here's a nice steel bed frame. A lot of smalls, a lot of scarves. There's another nice quilt. Again, it's a make an offer zone. A lot of art. Love that bed frame. Desks and bookcases, cabinets. You can write your own ticket on this stuff. Again, vast majority of this is simply make us an offer. We're going to say yes. Let's go into the other bedroom upstairs. Again, everything you see in these videos is for sale. If you can't find it, ask Steve or Lori. Happy to help you find anything. We're in the guest bedroom now. Of course, they've got their own library too. My goodness. Bring some boxes. Need a giant bear? Look at that bear. Wow. That is a beautiful dresser piece. You could turn it into a bar or refurbish it. It's actually in pretty good shape. A lot of old and antique apparel and shoes. Old desk setup, lamps. Nice, really nice trunk. Look at this trunk. Hats. Kitty cats. They loved cats here. Even treasures and linens in the restroom. This one's all ready for St. Patrick's Day, I think.